Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to unpair your Bluetooth device from Samsung S22 phone. First of all, we have to go to our Bluetooth settings. So, settings, connections, and our Bluetooth is right here. We have to turn it on, select Bluetooth menu, and as you can see, we have JBL Charge speaker right here. Now it's connected, and to disconnect it, we use this function right here. And now our device is disconnected, as you can see. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.